Namaskar, myself Dr. Suprit welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today is 10th May and we will start with the today's highlight. Isolated thunderstorm, lightning and gusty winds where speed is 40 to 60 km per hour likely over northwest India during 10th to 14th May. Then isolated hailstorm activity also likely over Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh on 11th and 12th, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand on 12th to 13th May. Heat wave conditions at isolated places likely over Jammu and Kashmir on 10th, that is today, West Rajasthan, Gujarat during 10th to 14th, East Rajasthan during 10th to 13th, West Madhya Pradesh during 12th to 14th May. Then isolated heavy rainfall likely over Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal for next 7 days. Also, a low pressure area is likely to form over southwest Bay of Bengal during the next 48 hours. Now we'll see the observed weather during past 24 hours. Heavy to very heavy rainfall, that is rainfall between 7 to 20 cm has been recorded at isolated places over Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Then thunderstorm accompanied with squally or gusty wind speeds with speeds reaching up to 50 to 95 km per hour prevailed at isolated places over Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Konkan and Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, Tamil Nadu, and also with speeds reaching between 30 to 50 km per hour realized at isolated places over Gujarat, Uttarakhand, East Uttar Pradesh and Vidarbha. Apart from that, hailstorm also reported from West Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. And regarding heat wave to severe heat wave conditions prevailed in isolated pockets over Jammu and Kashmir. Now let's see the synoptic system prevailing over our region. Western disturbance as a trough in middle and upper tropospheric westerlies now runs roughly along longitude 56 degree east to the north of latitude 32 degree north. Then there are upper air cyclonic circulation, one over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and neighborhood, another over southeast Rajasthan and also another over southern parts of central Madhya Pradesh, another over northeast Bangladesh and neighborhood, and then there is a upper air cyclonic circulation over Gulf of Mannar and adjoining Sri Lanka in the lower and middle tropospheric levels. Under its influence, a low pressure area is likely to form over southwest Bay of Bengal during the next 48 hours. Apart from that, there are a few troughs. One trough is running from cyclonic circulation over southeast Rajasthan to Gangetic West Bengal in lower tropospheric level. Another trough is running from northeast Bihar to central parts of coastal Andhra Pradesh, across Jharkhand, Odisha and Chhattisgarh in the middle and upper tropospheric level westerlies. Another trough, that is north-south trough, running from North Pakistan and adjoining Punjab to Marathwada, all in the lower tropospheric levels. Another trough in easterlies, which is running from north interior Karnataka to upper air cyclonic circulation over Gulf of Mannar and adjoining Sri Lanka, across south interior Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, also in the lower tropospheric levels. Now we'll see the forecast of maximum temperatures for next 7 days. No significant change in maximum temperatures or daytime temperatures during 24 hours likely for northwest India. Then thereafter 2 to 3 degrees centigrade fall likely on 11th and 12th. Thereafter gradual rise by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade during 13th to 16th May. Then gradual rise in maximum temperatures by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade likely over central India during 10 to 14. Thereafter no significant change during 15 to 16 May. Then no significant change in maximum temperatures likely over East India till 11th May and gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade during 12th to 16 May. And then rise in maximum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade likely over Gujarat during 10 to 14th May. Thereafter fall by about 2 degrees centigrade during 15 to 16 May. No significant change in maximum temperatures or daytime temperatures likely over rest part of the country till 16th May. Now we'll see the subdivision weather warning for day 1. Orange warning is issued for thunderstorm, gusty and squally wind speeds reaching up to 60 km per hour along with lightning is issued for Punjab and Gangetic West Bengal for today. Apart from that, heavy rainfall warning is also given at isolated places over Lakshadweep, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and also over Assam and Meghalaya. Today that yellow warning is given for that. Then thunderstorm activity likely to continue over many parts of the central and east India. These places are Haryana, also Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Marathwada, Madhya Maharashtra, North Interior Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand and Bihar and West Bengal state and also over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. All these places thunderstorm activity along with gusty winds and lightning expected. Yellow warning is given for that. Over Andaman and Nicobar Island also heavy rainfall warning is given for today. Regarding heat wave conditions, heat wave warning is issued for Rajasthan and also over Gujarat for today. Also warm night warning is also given for Rajasthan for today and heat wave warning is also given for isolated places over Jammu and Kashmir today. Heat wave warning over Rajasthan and Gujarat is likely to continue for next 4 to 5 days. And Rajasthan warning also warning is given for next 4 to 5 days. Now for day 2, hailstorm along with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty to squally wind speeds expected over Jammu and Kashmir for tomorrow, along with thunderstorm and gusty to squally wind speed and lightning warning is for Punjab and Haryana. Orange warning issued for Jammu Kashmir, Punjab and Haryana for day 2, and thunderstorm activity warning is given for Uttarakhand, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, also West Bengal state, and Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, North Interior Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Odisha for tomorrow. And heavy rainfall warning is given for Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Assam and Meghalaya. For Kerala and Tamil Nadu, heavy rainfall warning continues for next 7 days at isolated places. Regarding heat wave warning, as mentioned earlier, it is given for Rajasthan and Gujarat, and warm night warning is also given for Rajasthan. Over Rajasthan, there is a possibility of isolated thunderstorms and dust storm, so yellow warning is issued for that also. For day 3, orange warning continues over Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, and also over Himachal Pradesh, and also over Bihar. All these places, thunderstorm, lightning, and gusty to squally wind speed is expected. Over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand, there is a possibility of hailstorm also. Regarding thunderstorm warning over Punjab, Haryana, and also Jharkhand, Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, North India, Karnataka, and Kerala is given for thunderstorm warning along with gusty winds and lightning, and heavy rainfall warning is given for Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim for day 3. Regarding heat wave, as mentioned earlier, it is continuing over Rajasthan and Gujarat, and also over West Madhya Pradesh for day 3. For day 4 and day 5, heat wave warning continues over West Madhya Pradesh and also over West Rajasthan and Gujarat, and also over for day 4 for East Rajasthan, and thunderstorm warning, orange alert issued for Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Jharkhand. All these places, gusty to squally wind speeds along with thunderstorm and lightning activity is expected. Over Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, there is a possibility of hailstorm, and thunderstorm activity warning is given for Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, also North India, Karnataka, and Kerala, and also coastal Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh also, and Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim. Heavy rainfall warning, as mentioned earlier, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, and also over Assam and Meghalaya, which will continue for day 5, along with Arunachal Pradesh also. Heavy rainfall warning is given, and Andaman and Nicobar Island also a heavy rainfall warning is given. For day 5, orange warning issued for Jharkhand for thunder squall and lightning activity, and thunderstorm warning is along with lightning and gusty wind speed warning is given for Punjab, Haryana, East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, and coastal Andhra Pradesh, North India, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh state, and heat wave warning is given for Gujarat and West Rajasthan, and also over West Madhya Pradesh. For day 6 and day 7, as mentioned earlier, heavy rainfall warning continues over Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and also over Assam, Meghalaya, and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. And for day 6 and 7, Andaman and Nicobar Island also heavy rainfall warning is given. For thunderstorm activity warning is only given for Jharkhand for day 6 and 7. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Namaskar. Jai Hind.